Since I started using propane, I have been recharging my own Coleman cans. But after watching some videos, it really is kind of dangerous because they compared these with these Flame King refillable. These are designed to be refilled. And there's a lot of advantages to doing this. With this, you have to put in a little bit, you got to purge the air out of the top, and you got to weigh the silly thing. It takes about 4 or 5 times at least with a postal scale. Don't need that with this. This has a little Allen screw right here, and while you're charging it, you crack that Allen screw and it'll hiss. And when you get a solid stream of liquid propane, you just shut it off and you're done. It doesn't take more than a minute or so, and I'm going to demonstrate. And you have to, everything's proprietary, of course. You have to buy their setup. But it's like, it's $50 for the first canister and all of the paraphernalia you need to hook it up. But once you do that, then you can buy, I think it was 20 some odd dollars for, I think it's like 29 for 2 more bottles. And for me, that's all I'm gonna need. Okay, now, they come with this little Allen wrench, pretty simple affair. Turn the gas on, hit the nozzle, and you can hear that hiss. You don't have to weigh it or anything. Pretty darn convenient. And there's no guesswork because they weigh, the recommended weight I think is like 2.4 pounds because these cans are a little heavier than the Coleman's. And that's another thing. Make sure you're not getting cheated when you go to the store. Weigh these. They should weigh 2 pounds 3 ounces full on a postal scale. I went to Lowe's the other day and I bought some Burns-O-Matics, and they were only 1 pound 14 ounces. So I got cheated out of at least 5 or 6 ounces of fuel. This canister was pretty empty. Another thing, you could theoretically burst one of these Coleman bottles with a brand new bottle of propane. But I don't think you'll ever do it with these. This tank's getting a little bit low, so it's going to take it a little longer to fill. Okay, here's start to hiss. Here, see it's spitting. That's all you do to it. Close the valve up, unscrew it, and you'll know when you've got them full because they're quite a bit heavier. They weigh about twice as much. There you go, all done. And I got a brass cap for when I want to store these. And that's just extra leak protection. But yeah, the Flame King setup, I think for the money it's worth it. I mean, the throwaway canisters, if you don't refill them, are $5 a piece. Refilling is only 50 cents a piece. So the better equipment will pay for itself pretty darn quickly if you're flame happy like I am with my flamethrower kit.